Hey guys, it's Liz of Crafty Inked Girl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a plan with me for the week of July 27th through August 2nd, and I'm using the Privet Drive kit from Glam Planner. And as you can see, my foundation for my spread is already down because this week is Harry Potter's birthday on Friday the 31st, and my good friend Gabby of Gab's Plans It All and I decided to collaborate and both use this spread. And on Monday, we did an IG live and laid our kits down together. So I'm just going to go over that really quickly and then I will get into the day by day. So I used the Luxe kit, and there is so much in this kit that I wanted to make the absolute most of it. I'm in love with this. I don't know, it's more than a double box. It's like a quadruple box there with the Hogwarts castle, and there were so many stickers that I didn't want to waste that I wound up using 3 full boxes here in my sidebar, and I eliminated my usual Monday through Sunday box for my dinners and just put 2 habit trackers there. And I did not wind up covering up the hexagon because it kind of actually matched the kit really nicely. So I think this looks super awesome, and now I'm just going to get into the day by day. So stay tuned if you want to see how it turns out. So first, ignore the white paint on my nails, please, because I was working on another project before filming, and if I took the time to redo my nails, this plan with me would have never happened. So anyway, on Monday, I'm putting down a box from the kit and that custom edit and upload script from Kinsey's Creations with a laptop from Crafts by Towie to mark that I finished my last plan with me on Monday morning. And then I'm using a flag from the kit, and I'm going to use a washing machine icon from Crafts by Towie with the laundry time scripts from the kit to mark that I got some laundry done while I was doing all of that because I was desperate to get some clean clothes. And I really love how the font of the scripts from the kit work with Kinsey's scripts. So then after that, I'm putting down another box from the kit with a nail polish icon from Harriet Wright Designs and a custom script from Kinsey to mark that I did my nails before the IG live, and I'm going to use a piece of deco from the kit to mark that since this IG live was in honor of this Harry Potter spread. So on Tuesday, I'm putting down a box from the kit along with an icon and the grocery shop script from the kit to mark that I did a run to the grocery store that morning. And then using another box from the kit and a Papershire Nana character to mark that I did dishes. And then I'm going to use a Kinsey's Creations dishes script right there. And then later that evening, I made dinner and we took a really nice walk. So I'm going to use another box from the kit and then a coffee script and a walk script, both from Kinsey's Creations, to mark that I made some iced coffee. And then I'm going to also put down a sneaker icon from Crafts by Towie. We've been taking a lot of walks in the evening after dinner when the sun goes down, and it's just such a pleasure to go out when it's a little bit cooler and darker. So I really enjoy that. And then I'm going to put a flag down from the kit with a TV from Harriet Wright Designs just to mark that we watched some TV after our walk. We've been watching Flipping Vegas and $1 Million Listings LA, which I'm totally hooked on. So on Wednesday, I'm just using a box from the kit, and then I'm going to use a Keurig icon from Crafts by Towie to mark that I had some coffee in the morning, and the morning coffee script is also from the kit. I'm going to put down a box from the kit as well here and an icon from Crafts by Towie and that clean stuff script from the kit just to mark that I did some tidying up that afternoon. And then when I was done with that, I did some knitting and did a Plan With Me binge, so I'm using a box from the kit along with that Pumpkin Paper Co. Girl Knitting, and I'm going to use a Plan With Me binge script from Kinsey's Creations that was on a sampler, and then I'm putting that box down to mark that in the evening I just made dinner early and we just relaxed and watched TV after that, and I'm going to use that apron icon from Crafts by Towie. So now I am just going to add a couple of the deco pieces. I put the broom on the top, and then I put Harry's glasses under Watch TV, and I'm going to put the golden snitch there underneath our IG Live. So moving on to Thursday, I put a flag down from the kit along with a custom pool day script from Kinsey's Creations and a sun icon from Crafts by Towie because I want to mark that I spent the afternoon at my mom's pool. It was so hot that day and it was really nice to spend a little time with her in the pool. And then I'm putting down that box from the kit because I know I want to mark the project that Dave and I started working on, painting a piece of furniture. And then I put that quarter box down, and I'm going to add a utensil icon from Crafts by Towie because we were really hungry, so I made an early dinner before I started working on painting that furniture piece, and I didn't have an icon that would really work to mark that, so I just layered 2 hearts from Clever Gal Crafts because we worked on the project together, so I thought that would be a nice way to do it. And I'm sorry if you hear my dog barking. And then I'm going to add another quarter box down there with the little golf club icon there from Harriet Wright Designs because we watched Holy Moly that night, and if you've never seen it, it's a really fun extreme mini golf show and it's hilarious. So Friday I'm putting that box down from the kit along with a Pumpkin Paper Co. character because I'm just marking that I had a little bit of a vertigo attack when I woke up in the morning and I stayed in bed late. And then I'm using that Crafts by Towie camera with the planner icon from the kit and a film script from Kinsey's Creations to mark that I started filming this plan with me when I felt better that morning. And then I'm going to put down a checklist box from the kit to mark some new releases that came out that day, and then I'm using another little flag that I cut down from a label with a takeout bag from Crafts by Towie to mark that that evening we walked to Applebee's to pick up some takeout for dinner. Then Saturday morning I'm going to use a box from the kit along with a crafty banana coffee cup and a Kinsey's Creation script to mark that I made some coffee in the morning before we went out. And then I'm going to use the movie marquee from the kit, and I want to put that right at the bottom. I want enough room for it because we did watch Ghostbusters with Melissa McCarthy and Kristen Wiig that night. I'd never seen it and it was hilarious, so I wanted to make sure that I put that in. And then I'm going to put another box from the kit in there just to mark some of the things we did during the day on Saturday. We went to Home Goods, and then we had a pizza date, and we took a nice evening walk and got some frozen yogurt, and I'm using that pizza icon from Crafts by Towie. And then on Sunday I am going to put a flag down for a checklist, which I'm going to change off camera, and then I'm putting down a box and an icon from Crafts by Towie and the paint nail script from the kit to mark that I did my nails. And then I'm going to use one more box from the kit with an icon from Crafts by Towie and the bed early script from the kit to mark that we just watched TV and went to bed early that evening because we were both absolutely exhausted and we were in bed by like 11:30. So that is everything. So here's my completed spread for Harry Potter's birthday week, and I love how this one turned out. This kit is so cute and it was so much fun. I love all the colors. I actually really enjoyed not using foil this time and pulling in all of these black icons from Crafts by Towie and Harriet Wright Designs. I really loved the change in font for my scripts using all of those full fill customs from Kinsey's Creations, and they worked really nicely with the scripts that came in the kit. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I will link all the shops I used in the description below, and I hope you stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Thanks, bye.